guys, here today with another quick video showing you how to reset the oil light on a 2021 Volkswagen Passat. This is the B8 chassis. I believe it started in 2015 and went through 2022 or something like that. There's definitely different models, facelifted models. It probably has different clusters in some of them, but I believe the process should be more or less the same. Also, some of these have push to start, and some of them have just traditional keys that go into an ignition. Either way, this process should work for both of them. You would just have to either use, your key, or in the case of this car, use a button. So if you're using a key, what you will need to do, I can't do this with two hands, I need two hands, but you would hold this button over here, the one that says the zeros and the set. Hold that while turning the key all the way forward. Don't start the car and don't have your foot on the brake. Just hold the button, turn the key, and then you should get a message up there that says, asking you to reset the oil, to which you would just press simply OK on the steering wheel, and that would be it. Now, for the people that have the push to start like me, make sure also you don't have your foot on the brake. Hold this button and then just push this button once. Just push it once and let go, and it should ask you the same thing. So I'm going to go ahead and try and do that now. Obviously, I'm sorry, the camera's going to have to move because I have to hold this button and push it, but I'm going to go ahead and hold this button up here first. So what I'm going to do is hold this button right here with my finger, push the button once, and you can see right away it asks if I really want to reset it. Obviously I do, so you can just press the OK button over here, press OK, and just service reset. It's that simple. So if you have any comments or questions, just ask them in the comment section below. If it's your first time to the channel, as usual, thanks for stopping by. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, share the video. I'll see you guys on the next one.